How to make your penis bigger and stronger naturally. Home remedies to make your penis bigger. If you are a man and want to get tips on how to make your penis bigger and stronger without pills, you should keep reading this article. I will provide a list of tips and tricks to strengthen your penis naturally that you can apply in your spare time. 1. Using a penis pump. According to sexual specialists, in order to enhance your penis size, you can try to use a penis pump when you have sex relation. If you are in a prostate procedure or you have radiation therapy, the penis pump is very useful for you. This way is very cheap and very effective. For safe, this is one of the best ways for you. 2. Ginkgo biloba. If you want to enlarge your penis, you cannot forget this kind of foods. If you do not know about this food, take an action right now by adding up this nutrient into your meal because it can help you increase circulation of the blood and help you improve your mind. Learn more, Make Mind Grow, a new book for men who want to enlarge penis with penis enlargement exercises. 3. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is concerned as a nutrient food because it not only helps you increase sexual life, but it also helps you rise up blood flow because it has flavanol. Many people like dark chocolate because it is the best type of chocolate. It is rich in cocoa, antioxidants, and has a little sugar. Dark chocolate also helps you detoxify your body as well. Certainly, this kind of chocolate has a lot of calories to supply your energy. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Exactly, pumpkin seeds, which can help you enhance penis size at home more effective. By speeding up the blood, pumpkin seeds play an important part in your meal because they are rich in vitamin E. If you have any beauty-related question, then comment. If you like the video, thumbs up and share with your friend. If want to see more video, then subscribe the channel and stay with us. Ginger is a very familiar spice in everyday life. In addition to helping the food taste better, than ginger is also used as a medicine to treat physiological weak, effective for men. In the Oriental, fresh ginger is called the birth of Kh°Ng. Ginger is warm, spicy, attributed to business, spleen, taste. Contemporary ginger medicine contains zingiberol, zingiberine, non-anal, borneol, chevicol, citrol, methaheptanin. It has the effect of welding, sputum, cough, stimulate digestion and enhance blood circulation. Ginger can be used in fresh or dried form, conca, for healing. Why ginger has a physiological effect? Ingredients in ginger such as gingerol, chagoil and zingiberine stimulate the blood vessels, promote blood circulation, stimulate blood circulation contraction. Therefore, ginger is used as a sexual stimulant, physiological weakening for men. Not only now, fresh ginger has been discovered to have sexually stimulating uses that have long since been used by Chinese medicine to treat ginseng male sexual dysfunction. Great physiological treatment of fresh ginger. Men with physiopathology can apply a number of ways as follows. Option 1. Honey ginger juice. Use fresh ginger, wash, shave, squeeze about 2 tablespoons of ginger juice. Then mix well enough honey to form a mixture of honey ginger juice. Men with impaired physiology, impotence should use 3 times a day. Frequent use will be highly effective. Method 2. Dry ginger balls. Cooked ginger. Ingredients: 30 grams dried fish balls, 1 ginger, 30 grams of flavor, 30 grams of 3 calories, some red apples. How to do: soak dried fish balls for hatching and then use a small knife noodles. The remaining ingredients are then washed in a pot of boiling water, turn small fire, boiled in 3 hours for real. This dish has the effect of physiological weakness, kidney disease, ejaculation, premature ejaculation, multiple urinary or urinary incontinence for men. Should eat daily, often, and have the best results. Things to consider when using ginger. People with sunburn, fever is not cold, sweating should not use ginger. People who have nosebleeds, bleeding hemorrhoids, bleeding, coughing up blood, bleeding teeth, hemorrhage, or who are preparing for surgery and after surgery should not be used. People with heart disease, diabetes should limit the use of ginger. Benefits of aloe vera for male enhancement. Miracles of aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the most famous cosmetic ingredients that you might get to hear every now and then. They say that it moisturizes the skin, that it slows down the process of aging. I am sure that you are very conscious when it comes to brands or products that you are buying online or from your favorite local store. This is such a great move, knowing that there are many fake and counterfeit products flooding the market that it is almost impossible to distinguish the real ones. Aloe vera has lots of benefits, and one of its outstanding advantages is its contribution to male enhancement world. How effective is aloe vera, and how does it become effective in male enhancement products? How does aloe vera work? With the vast health benefits of aloe vera, creators of male enhancement companies decided to include aloe in their product. It softens the skin and allows the penetration of other ingredients easier. Aloe vera is found in a wide array of lubricants and other topical male enhancement products. Before male enhancement exercises were performed, it is a must to apply some lubricants first for an easier and comfortable maneuver. Aloe vera can also be found in products such as pill, supplements, juice, or powder, which can help improve your overall heat and your reproductive health. Any recorded side effects of aloe vera topical solution may possibly cause itching and burning sensation on the skin. Using product with aloe vera content, directions must be strictly followed. High or low dosage can cause stomach pain, cramps and diarrhea. This is something that you should be careful about, given that might lead to damage to organs. If you have the problem with your blood sugar, you should strictly monitor your sugar level as well. Seek professional advice first before trying in any product. 10 foods that will increase your sperm count. 1. Red meat. A totally non-scientific poll we just conducted in our own heads has proven what we knew all along: men love red meat. For most of us, there is literally nothing better than heading home after a hard day's work, writing lists for the internet, to a rare steak, a cold beer, and then some fantastic sex. And now you have a scientific reason to do so too. Turns out red meat is spectacular for your sperm count. Red meat contains the nutrient L-carnitine in crazy high doses. This little miracle nutrient has been proven to increase sperm count and motility drastically. In especially good news for anyone struggling to conceive, the greatest increases came in men who had low baseline levels of sperm. Want to get your wonderful wife pregnant? Cook the two of you a great big steak dinner before you get down to business. 2. Salmon. Omega-3 is one of the most popular fatty acids on Earth. The lists of its benefits are long and include everything from lowering your risk of heart attack to boosting your levels of arousal before sex. They also include helping your sperm count. A study in human reproduction concluded that men who eat oily fish rich in fatty acids have higher quality semen than men who skimp on omega-3. This means more sperm that are all better at doing what they're programmed to do, racing to that egg and fertilizing the heck out of it. Tuna, mackerel or sardines will do the job, but we recommend a nice big portion of salmon. 3. Mushrooms. The words fungus and genitals are not ones you'd ideally like to hear in the same sentence. But make no mistake, eating fungus in the form of mushrooms will make your genitals Christmas come early. Mushrooms of all varieties are stuffed full of vitamin D, a vitamin that improves all aspects of your sex life. Its main bonus is that it helps blood flow in the penis, improving your erections, or even getting rid of erectile dysfunction altogether. But it can provide a much-needed boost to your sperm too. Of course, if you live in California, you'll be getting enough vitamin D from the sunlight anyway. For those of us who live in the cold, icy north, looking at you, Canada, mushrooms put the fun into fungus. 4. Nuts. Nuts are super healthy in general, and many of us snack on them regularly. You may want to up your intake even more. According to study after study, nuts are basically God's gift to sperm. Basically, give more nuts to your sperm, and your nuts will give more sperm to you. Walnuts in particular are winners. A 2012 study has shown that 75 grams per day is enough to send levels of sperm vitality, motility, and morphology through the roof. This is due to the abnormally high levels of polyunsaturated fatty acids in nuts. Almonds and peanuts too can help strengthen your boys' swimming team. Then there are Brazil nuts. Packed with selenium, these guys will give you a testosterone kick that'll push your body to produce more sperm naturally. What are you waiting for, guys? Go nuts! 5. Oysters. You may have heard someone ask, what did the Romans ever do for us? We think we've stumbled across the perfect answer. They were the guys who figured out oysters are essential to a bed-shaking sex life. Not only do these humble sea creatures send your sex drive through the roof, they're loaded with enough zinc to open their own sperm factory. Zinc is an essential building block of sperm, and having a ton of it in your body will increase your count by staggering levels. Experts advise trying 8 in one evening and seeing how things go from there. Just prepare yourself to deal with broken bed springs and neighbors complaining about all those screams your girlfriend was letting rip with. 6. Red stuff. You know what's really great for male fertility? Red stuff. Foods that look like someone has chucked red paint across them. Foods like tomatoes, guavas, watermelon, papaya, grapefruit and red peppers. Foods that contain the miracle that is lycopene. In 2014, a study found that foods containing lycopene, which helps give stuff like tomatoes their red color, could boost men's sperm count by up to 70%. Even if you've only got a handful of lonely sperm swimming around your sack, wondering where their friends went, that's a tremendous increase. 7. Carrots. The humble carrot. You probably remember your mom telling you to eat them because they'd help you see in the dark. We'd hate to say it, but that's just a myth. No, the real, secret reason your mom made you eat all those carrots was to secure herself some grandkids one day. See, carrots are basically wonder food for your sperm. This is thanks to their carrying an insane amount of vitamin A. As you'll remember from the last entry, vitamin A gives your sperm all sorts of boosts. It's also found in red bell peppers and oatmeal, in case you need to vary your diet. 8. Bananas. You can tell bananas will be good for your junk just by looking at them. That's why God decided to shape them just like a wang, so we'd all know exactly what they were for, or just to make us nervous about eating one in public. Because bananas aren't just good for your sperm. They're great. Bananas are basically concentrated lumps of vitamin A, B1 and C, 3 things guaranteed to boost sperm power, health, and productivity. They also contain the enzyme bromelain, which increases your sperm count like crazy. 9. Spinach. Speaking of Popeye, it turns out the dude was more than just strong. He probably had the highest sperm count across the whole 7 seas. Spinach, like most leafy green vegetables, is rich in folic acid. Knock folic out of your diet, and it's like taking an axe to your testicles. Your poor sperm will become weaker, slower and significantly fewer. By contrast, stuffing your face with a daily dose of spinach will leave you firing off live rounds like Al Pacino at the end of Scarface. No wonder Olive Oyl stuck with her Sailor Man. 10. Dark chocolate. It's a scientific fact that dark chocolate is to women what catnip is to cats. That is to say, a primordial obsession. But did you know it works wonders for guys too? Specifically, it'll work wonders for your guys. Dark chocolate is bursting with amino acid L-arginine HCl, which does to sperm what spinach does to